Hello and thank you for tuning in to Saya Resam, your personal guide through the ever-expanding world of technology. In this episode, we'll put a hotly anticipated device through real-world tests to see if it lives up to its hype. Cleaning your home before the holidays can feel exhausting. Dust everywhere, sticky kitchen floors, pet hair in every corner. But what if one machine could vacuum, mop, steam, sanitize, and clean itself all at the same time? This is the Tineco Floor 1S7 Stretch Steam, and after using it for a few days, it honestly feels less like a mop, and more like a smart home cleaning assistant. Right out of the box, Tineco gives you a premium experience. The packaging is solid and well organized, and inside, you get everything you actually need: a spare roller brush, an extra HEPA filter, cleaning solution, and a maintenance brush. It's a practical kit that can easily last 6 to 12 months before you even think about replacements. When I first picked up the S7 Stretch Steam, I expected it to feel bulky. But surprisingly, it doesn't. Yes, it feels sturdy and well built, but the weight is balanced really well along the body. So pushing it around the house feels natural instead of tiring. It glides smoothly across the floor instead of dragging like older wet mops. The charging dock is also smartly designed. You just place the vacuum down, and it automatically handles cleaning and drying later. No complicated steps, just dock and walk away. Design-wise, the S7 looks modern and premium. The matte black finish with soft curves gives it a sleek, almost cinematic feel that blends nicely into modern homes. It doesn't look like an ugly cleaning tool you want to hide away. The handle feels comfortable in the hand, and all the buttons are right where your fingers naturally rest. Switching modes doesn't require bending down or stopping mid-clean. There's also a bright LED display on the front that shows battery life, cleaning mode, and machine status at a glance. Super helpful when you're moving quickly from room to room. The clean water tank and dirty water tank are separated and easy to remove. Everything clicks securely into place with no leaks. But here's where things get really interesting. The S7 can lay completely flat a full 180 degrees. That means you can slide it under beds, sofas, and low furniture that normally collect months of hidden dust. Areas I used to ignore are now super easy to clean. Now let's talk about the star feature: steam cleaning. This machine uses Tineco's Hyper Steam technology that heats water up to 284 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to break down grease, loosen dried stains, and sanitize floors using heat instead of harsh chemicals. When I turned on steam mode for the first time, I could immediately see the difference. Kitchen oil stains and sticky spots softened almost instantly. I didn't have to scrub or go back and forth multiple times. One slow pass, and it was clean. And knowing the floor is actually sanitized, not just wiped, gives a lot more peace of mind. Especially if you have kids or pets at home. After cleaning, the floor dries quickly too. No sticky residue, no weird smells, just clean. Suction power is another highlight. With up to 22,000 pascals of suction, it easily picks up hair, crumbs, pet fur, and even wet spills in a single pass. It truly feels like vacuuming and mopping at the same time. The brush head also cleans right up against edges and walls, so corners don't get left behind. There's even a small LED light to help spot dust in darker areas under furniture. One thing I really appreciate is the anti-tangle system. If you have long hair or pets, you know how annoying it is to untangle brushes. Tineco's dual-block anti-tangle design keeps hair from wrapping around the roller, so you almost never need to manually clean it. And when you're done, the flash dry self-cleaning system kicks in. The machine washes the roller with hot water, heated to about 185 degrees Fahrenheit, then dries it automatically. In just a few minutes, the roller is clean, dry, and odor-free. There's even a quiet drying mode for nighttime use. Battery life is excellent too. You get up to 80 minutes of runtime in normal mode, more than enough to clean an entire apartment or house on a single charge. Even with steam mode on, it still lasts long enough for deep cleaning sessions. So if you want something that vacuums, mops, sanitizes with steam, avoids tangles, and cleans itself, the Tineco Floor 1S7 Stretch Steam might just be the smartest and most effortless way to keep your floors spotless.